A while back, I was watching the Hardtail Party YouTube channel, and Steve was reviewing a Niner Sur 9. Sur stands for steel is real, and this Niner Sur 9 is made with Reynolds 853 steel tubing, which makes it awesome. And besides the glowing review that Steve was giving while he was riding the Niner Sur 9, there was two things at the end of the video that truly sold me on this bike and made me want to have one. First, he said, if the Niner Sur 9 was an animal, it would be a fox, because it's quick, nimble, and agile. I've always imagined myself as the fox in Disney's Robin Hood movie, and seen my spirit animal since that time as a fox. Second, he described the perfect rider for the Sur 9 as someone who's been riding for a while and loves the feel of an old school steel XC race bike without all the sketchiness. And that's exactly what I've been trying to do with a lot of the bikes I've been restoring on this channel, like the Konas and the Voodoos that I've done. I've taken those old steel frames, updated them so that they can run modern components, and set them up with modern parts that make them ride and feel even better than they did back in the 90s. So this dream build of the Niner Sur 9 for me is a dream build of an old school, new school bike. One that will last for lifetimes and will always be awesome.
but never did I give in. Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am.
So I'm a little worried now that my other bikes are going to get jealous. This build, this bike, is the perfect combination of my two favorite bikes that I've been riding recently, my Voodoo Hoodoo and my Gary Fisher Paragon. It kind of combines the good of both of those bikes. If you haven't seen those builds, check them out. It's that old school, new school feel that is just long lasting, that I expect to never get old for me. It was awesome also to work with Jensen USA to put this together. I chose not to go with one of the pre-built spec builds for the 9 or Sur 9. Instead, I wanted to go from the frame up and actually spec it out with components that I really wanted. Some of those things that were high on my list were Magura Breaks, and I was very intrigued by the P&W Coast suspension dropper post. So it's 120 mils of drop with 44 millimeters of travel in it. And for a bike that I intend to use for bike packing and regular use on a hardtail, I think the P&W Coast suspension seat post is the best post that you can choose. It has that ability to take the edge off of the bumps, that you don't have to stand up for every aggressive or technical area, that you can actually stay seated, especially on those long rides. Awesome seat post, awesome spec build. I'm totally stoked with everything on it. I will list the build in the description below. If you're looking to build a new bike, or looking for a new bike day, or looking to do restorations like I typically do, Jensen USA is your place to go. Anything that you purchase there through the affiliate links I list below helps to support this channel. Also, as always, look for opportunities to give those old things new life. Sometimes it's fun to have a new thing, something that is some new old school. Don't forget also to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao. Oh, it's so awesome. Time to go ride some more trails.